Welcome to Cloud Institution. So today we'll discuss how to create a GitHub account creation. Okay, it's a very simple method. So when you go to the Google and when you search GitHub, you can see a GitHub, that is build and ship software on a single collaborative platform, right? So when you click that option, you can see a sign up. Okay, so sign up and sign in is there. Okay, so if you're having an existing account means you can click towards the sign in, otherwise you can click towards the sign up. So when you click towards the sign up, they'll be asking your particular email, password and username. So after giving your email, password and username, you have to click towards the continue. I'll show you the steps. So you can see that asking to type your email, password and username. After giving that, you can click towards the continue. So when you click continue, they'll be asking for your verification your account. That means you have to click towards the visual puzzle. So when you click visual puzzle, you can see they'll be giving a particular image and you have to correct it. After correcting it, you have to click towards the submit. So when you click submit, you can see a confirmation of your email address. That means you have given a particular email address, right? So inside that email address, you'll be getting a particular code. So that code should be applied over here and you have to click continue. So when you click continue, you can see you are getting signed into a GitHub. That means you are signing to the particular account of the GitHub. So that means you have to give your username or an email address and you have to give password and you have to click sign in. So when you give these options, that means when you give username or email address or password and when you click sign in, you can see you will be accessing to that particular account creation. So you can see it here. This is the account creation. So when you do the same method, you'll be getting, that means you'll be created as a GitHub account creation. Okay, thank you.